Hey, Melly.
What?
I love you.
I love you too.
You think you're going to like this camera?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think you want to use it? You think you deserve it? Yeah. Why do you think you deserve this camera?
Because I want it.
Well, that's not why you deserve it. Why do you deserve it?
Because...
Do you know what deserve means?
No.
The reasons why you have earned this camera.
Uh,
So what do you think those reasons are?
that I've tried my best to be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like what?
Like, I cleaned up after myself.
Oh, you did?
Oh.
Then what's all that?
Well, I cleaned up a little people.
Oh, yeah?
I did.
So that looks like a pretty big mess.
I know, but I'll clean it up.
You will?
Yes.
Okay. What else will you do for this camera?
I will,
Will you be nice to your brother?
yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
What do you think? You think Molly deserves this camera, Jim?
I don't know. I guess so.
Okay, plug it up to the computer.
Okay. Say bye-bye.